Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fan-made trailer. First, clearly define your trailer's concept and who you want to reach. Think about the story you want to tell and the emotions you want to evoke. A strong outline helps structure your ideas, ensuring a cohesive flow. Choose a catchy title and aim for a runtime between 1 to 3 minutes to keep viewers engaged without overstaying your welcome. This initial planning is crucial for a successful project. Now, let's talk about gathering your materials. Look for high-quality footage from the original source material, or even other fan creations if appropriate. Don't forget about music and sound effects. These are vital for setting the right mood and building tension. Make sure everything you select, from visuals to audio, perfectly matches the tone and style you envisioned for your trailer. This careful selection will elevate your final product. With your assets ready, it's time to edit. Use your preferred software to meticulously assemble clips, ensuring smooth transitions and perfect audio synchronization. Focus on crafting a compelling story. The pacing should build excitement and reveal just enough to intrigue. Incorporate text overlays for titles or key information, and consider subtle visual effects to add polish and impact. This is where your vision truly comes to life. Finally, it's time to refine and share your masterpiece. Watch your trailer multiple times, looking for any technical glitches, awkward cuts, or pacing problems. Getting fresh eyes on your work is invaluable, so share it with friends or a trusted community for constructive feedback. Polish those final details, then upload it to your chosen platform. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. Share your creation proudly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.